want to, girl. I've been got to get chill, bitch, I'm a bad. Jump off the ledge, they say.
Yeah, everything is broken, all the trouble that we need. But I say that I hate you. First on the track.
All right, me and Dylan are down at the beach. I can't use the GoPro mouth mount today, so I'm putting the GoPro on my board. So if you're seeing this video, that either means I made a video about losing my GoPro, or it might have a okay angle, but we'll see. I'm putting it on the front of my board. We're gonna get suited up and head out for the boys.
Yeah.
It stopped raining too. The dream.
Yeah.
Ow! Yo, are these wetsuits meant to fall apart? Someone tell me. Like, this is my first year with this wetsuit. Like, are these supposed to come off?
No.
Are you sure? Because look at this.
No. Wait, what wetsuit is this?
I got this one for free. How's this thing? I'm so nervous it's gonna fall off. Waves look fun, honestly. Semi-clean, how's that thing?
Oh my god, oh my god. What did you say? What?
That was probably the most fun surf we've had this summer. I don't know if the video looked good. First time using the board mount in like 4 years. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.